Singing is more than just hitting the right notes. It's about expressing yourself, conveying emotions, and telling a story through your voice. Each note, each word carries a piece of your soul. It's a beautiful journey of self-discovery, where you learn not only about music, but also about yourself. Every practice session, every performance is a step towards understanding your own voice and its unique qualities. Unlocking your inner vocalist can bring joy, confidence, and a unique way to connect with others. Singing together creates bonds and shared experiences that are truly special. It's a universal language that transcends barriers. No matter your current skill level, everyone can improve. With consistent practice and the right guidance, you can develop your vocal range, control, and expression. It's a continuous learning process that evolves with you. With the right techniques and dedication, you can transform your voice and share your passion with the world. Whether you dream of performing on big stages or simply singing for your own joy, the possibilities are endless. Are you ready to take the stage? Embrace the spotlight and let your voice be heard. The stage is a place where you can truly shine and showcase your hard work and talent. Let's dive into some proven methods to enhance your vocal abilities. From warm-ups to advanced techniques, we'll explore exercises that strengthen your voice and improve your performance. We'll cover everything from breath control to performance tips. Learning how to manage your breath is crucial for sustaining notes and delivering powerful performances. Remember, the most important step is to start. Your journey begins today. Take that first step with confidence and enthusiasm, and watch as your vocal abilities grow and flourish. Imagine your breath as the fuel for your voice. Just like a car needs gas to run smoothly, your voice needs proper breath support to perform at its best. Without proper breath control, your voice won't reach its full potential. You might find yourself struggling to hit high notes, running out of breath mid-phrase, or feeling frustrated with your vocal performance. Breathing exercises are essential for singers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these exercises can help you maintain vocal health and improve your overall technique. They help regulate airflow, increase lung capacity, and create a stable foundation for your singing. By practicing breath control, you can ensure that your voice remains strong and consistent throughout your performance. One effective technique is diaphragmatic breathing. This method focuses on using your diaphragm, a large muscle located at the base of your lungs, to control your breath. Lie down comfortably and place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. This position helps you become more aware of your breathing patterns. Inhale deeply, feeling your stomach rise while your chest remains relatively still. This indicates that you are using your diaphragm correctly. Exhale slowly, engaging your abdominal muscles to control the release of air. This controlled exhalation is crucial for maintaining a steady and powerful voice. Practice this regularly to strengthen your diaphragm and improve breath control. Consistent practice will lead to better vocal endurance, allowing you to sing longer phrases without running out of breath. Just like athletes warm up their muscles before a game, singers need to warm up their vocal cords. Vocal warm-ups are crucial to prevent strain and prepare your voice for optimal performance. They help to gently stretch and relax the vocal cords, improving flexibility and range. Start with gentle hums and lip trills, gradually increasing the pitch and complexity. Tongue trills, siren sounds, and simple scales are also effective warm-up exercises. Remember to maintain proper posture and breath control throughout. Your vocal health is paramount to your singing journey. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining the moisture and elasticity of your vocal cords. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before and after singing. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as these habits can damage your vocal cords. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein also contributes to overall vocal health. Remember, your voice is an instrument that needs care and attention to function at its best. Section 5: Practice makes progress. In this section, we will explore the importance of consistent practice and how it can lead to significant improvements in your singing abilities. Consistency is key when it comes to improving your singing. Just like any other skill, singing requires regular and dedicated practice to see progress. Without consistency, it's easy to lose momentum and motivation. Regular practice is essential for developing muscle memory, refining technique, and building confidence. Each practice session helps reinforce the skills you are working on, making them more natural and automatic over time. Set aside dedicated time each day to focus on your singing, even if it's just for a short period. Consistent daily practice, even if it's only 15 to 20 minutes, can lead to significant improvements over time. Start with simple vocal exercises to warm up your voice. These exercises help prepare your vocal cords and improve your range, control, and overall vocal health. Gradually incorporate songs into your practice routine. Working on actual songs allows you to apply the techniques you've been practicing, and helps you understand how to use your voice in different musical contexts. Record yourself singing and listen back critically to identify areas for improvement. This self-assessment is crucial for recognizing your strengths and weaknesses, and it helps you make targeted adjustments. Don't be afraid to experiment with different genres and styles to expand your vocal versatility. Trying new styles can challenge your voice in different ways and make you a more adaptable and well-rounded singer. Section 6. Finding your voice range and technique. Every singer has a unique vocal range and timbre. Experiment with different notes and singing styles to discover your strengths and explore the full potential of your voice. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Consider working with a vocal coach to receive personalized guidance and feedback. A qualified vocal coach can help you identify your vocal range, improve your technique, and address any specific challenges you may be facing. Section 7. Injecting emotion. Singing from the heart. Technical proficiency is important, but true artistry lies in conveying emotion through your singing. Connect with the lyrics of a song, understand its message, and allow yourself to feel the emotions it evokes. Let your voice become a vessel for storytelling and emotional expression. Use dynamics, phrasing, and vocal inflection to enhance the emotional impact of your performance. Remember, singing is about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Section 8. Believe in your voice. Start your journey today. The journey to becoming a better singer is ongoing and deeply rewarding. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the full potential of your voice. Believe in yourself and your ability to grow as a vocalist. Remember, the most important step is to start. Take that first step today and unleash the power of your voice.